विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, in previous lecture you already studied the double fertilization. Double fertilization having the various significance. It is the characteristic of angiospermic plant. It produces triploid endosperm. It increases the viability of the seed, that means germination percentage of the seed. It leads to development of nutritious endosperm or hybrid endosperm. It leads to the formation of embryo from zygote. And after this significance of the double fertilization, next part is the post fertilization changes. And these post fertilization changes, which includes changes taking place after fertilization. Post means after. And these changes are formation of endosperm, formation of embryo, formation of seed, and formation of the fruit. As well as other changes are disorganization of nucellus, antipodal cells, as well and synergids, and withering of other whorls. In the first change, that is formation of endosperm. Endosperm is the triploid nutritive tissue which is produced from triploid primary endosperm nucleus by mitotic divisions. PEN, triploid PEN undergoes mitosis forming endosperm. And according to the formation of endosperm or the process during the endosperm formation, there are three types of the endosperm. One cellular, second nuclear, and third is halobial. These shows the slight differences in relation with the karyokinesis and cytokinesis. That means nuclear division and cytoplasmic division. In cellular endosperm, each karyokinesis is followed by cytokinesis, that means formation of the two cells from primary endosperm nucleus. Then further divisions are also in the same manner, and it leads to the formation of multicellular embryo. While in nuclear endosperm, initially only pre-nuclear division takes place, that is karyokinesis takes place. Nucleus from the PEN undergoes pre-nuclear division forming the many nuclei, and these many nuclei push toward the peripheral region forming the central vacuole. And then cytokinesis starts from the periphery toward the center. And the formation of the cell takes place from the peripheral part. And thus again many multicellular endosperm is developed, which is a common type of endosperm in angiospermic plant. While in third type, halobial type of the endosperm, which shows the combination of first two types. Cellular and nuclear. In halobial, it is firstly observed in the plants of the family Halobiaceae. So that name is given halobial endosperm. In this type, cell shows the first division as like the cellular type. That means karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis, forming the two cells. And these two cells act as two chambers. Then the further divisions are only nuclear type. And each chamber shows the formation of many nuclei in this third type. And these many nuclei from each chamber again undergoes the cytokinesis, forming the multicellular endosperm. And thus the development of endosperm, which is for the supply of nourishment to the developing embryo, or which acts as a storage of the food material in the seed. And after this development of endosperm and types of the endosperm, next part is the formation of embryo or development of the embryo in the next period.